Skylar Huggett is an artist. Instead of a brush, she wields a blowtorch. Instead of a canvas, metal is her medium of choice.
Perfect.
Not bad right there, huh?
At 26 years old, Skylar is pursuing her passion, one she discovered by accident.
I watched a documentary one day, and in it there was a woman and she was welding a sculpture. So I decided, why not give it a shot? So enrolled myself in Savannah Technical College.
Having already given it the old college try at a university, Skylar was fired up to go after an alternative education experience.
You go through 2 book classes with blueprint reading, introduction to welding, and then once I got into the cutting class, which was the first hands-on class there, sparks were flying, fumes, heat. I found out that I loved it.
With many journeymen getting older and retiring, there's a growing need for people with trade skills. So much so, the state is offering generous financial incentives to students.
There are jobs in this state where we don't have workers to fill those jobs. So under this program, if you go to a technical college system to be trained or retrained, we will pay for your education free of charge.
With money to cover tuition and costs for welding equipment from both Pell and Hope grants, Skylar was able to concentrate on her studies at Savannah Technical College. Her efforts paid off by being named Top Tech Student of the Year in Georgia.
The award goes to Skylar Huggett from Savannah Technical College.
It was an honor that ignited her career in the marine industry.
The marine industry is growing, and having the schools help to provide talented people that can hit the ground running is a huge benefit to Thunderbolt Marine.
Ernie D'Alto heads up a team of professional tradesmen repairing and upgrading super yachts in Savannah. It's a multi-million-dollar industry needing artisans committed to their craft. And since companies like Thunderbolt Marine are always needing talent to keep up with industry demand, they are willing to woo talent with competitive starting salaries, benefits, and generous vacation packages.
We have many different trades here, so we're always looking for electrical people, hydraulics people, woodworkers, again, welders, fabricators. There's a tremendous need.
And it's a need Skylar is more than happy to fill.
Every day is a different day, a different challenge. One day you're welding on the bottom of a boat, and then another day you're fixing up a cage to go on top of a fire damper, or preparing something that's broken on a vessel, and being called to go cut some chains off an anchor. It's just, you never know what you're going to be doing in any given day, and it's exhilarating and thrilling, and I love it.